Building a basic to-do list in Python is an ideal beginner project. It combines practical utility with essential programming concepts. You'll learn to manage tasks using lists and dictionaries, implement loops and conditionals, and create reusable functions. This project not only enhances productivity, but also solidifies your understanding of Python basics. Building a to-do list app is ideal for beginners, merging practical use with core programming skills. You'll work with lists, dictionaries, loops, and conditionals, while creating reusable functions and handling user input. This project not only organizes tasks, but also boosts your Python proficiency and confidence through hands-on practice. This project delves into key Python concepts. You'll manage task lists using data structures, employ loops and conditionals for control flow, and handle user input effectively. Learn to update task statuses dynamically and organize code with functions, ensuring clarity and maintainability. These skills are foundational for developing more complex applications. Our to-do list app offers 4 key features: adding new tasks with a default not done status, viewing all tasks with clear status indicators, marking tasks as completed for progress tracking, and exiting the program gracefully while maintaining data integrity. These features enhance task management using Python fundamentals. The console application showcases tasks with clear formatting and status indicators. An intuitive menu guides users through adding, viewing, and managing tasks efficiently. This simple interface is ideal for beginners, teaching fundamental concepts. As skills advance, consider enhancing with a graphical interface or web front end for a richer experience. We'll use a Python list to store tasks, each as a dictionary with task and done keys. This allows efficient task management. For example, buy groceries with done as false. To add a task, use tasks.append open curly brace task : study Python done : false close curly brace. This structure supports easy updates and access. The main loop is crucial for user interaction, using while true to run continuously. Display menu options, add task, show tasks, mark done, and exit. Prompt for user input, validate it, and execute actions using conditionals. The loop only ends when the user selects exit, ensuring a seamless user experience. The add tasks function begins by asking the user for the number of tasks to add, converting this input to an integer. It then loops to collect task descriptions, creating a dictionary for each with done set to false. These tasks are appended to the main list, and a confirmation message is displayed, showcasing input handling, loops, and data structure creation. The add tasks function efficiently, handles user input and task creation. It uses a try-except block to manage errors, ensuring a smooth user experience. The loop collects task descriptions, creating a dictionary for each with done set to false. Tasks are appended to the list, and human-friendly numbering is achieved with I+1.